Today it's a Saturday morning.
Yeah.
And we're going to school?
Yes.
Think so?
Yes.
By the way, shout out nga pala dito sa nagbigay ng t-shirt last 2016. Look at this. That's my shirt. And now it's wearing by my Bobs. Say hello, Bobs.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Yeah, because you're fatter than me.
And yung hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe to our channel and Bobs, say hi to them.
And even not subscribing your channel.
What?
And even not subscribing your channel.
You didn't even subscribe?
Yes.
You have to subscribe. Okay, guys, please subscribe to our channel. Please invite them.
You don't
Okay, come with
subscribe
us.
to my mom's channel.
And he has also a channel. Di ba may channel ka din? Bob's channel. You know
Yes.
that? Okay.
I have a channel.
Come with us sa sentro po. Ano? Mag-play ka ba doon?
Yes, I want to free swing and slide.
But don't, binuti. Don't be
I want to run.
pasaway.
Yeah, don't run like a shit.
Oh my God! Okay, see you po later dyan sa sentro. Bye! May money ka. Hello, te. Kunwari ng opening. Iyo po, te. Okay. Mag-good morning ka kay sir. Good morning, sir.
You know, sagot mo? Zero.
How much po? Mapulis man yan si Bog paglaki.
Didn't even die.
Oo. Na-image ko na.
Hello.
We are here.
There.
Where?
That. You see
Ayan.
that?
Yeah.
That is the guy who died.
The image of God.
Yeah, he
Jesus Christ.
died. He's in the sky in his group.
Okay.
What's that say? See that
Exit.
exit.
Exiting is when you go out, you don't need to pass there. Ni Dr. Mijares for our dental check-up. At the dental clinic of Mr. and Mrs. Mijares. Hindi pa taga-DO din siya, ma'am. Division
You're
office.
gonna fix your teeth.
Yeah, because we're going to have our braces.
Yeah, I don't like that.
You don't like? Look at your
This
teeth.
is so scary.
Why?
I don't like kids.
Aboy must not be afraid of dental check-up.
My husband said me I look like a vampire.
A vampire you? It's you?
I look like a vampire.
We are here at the Mijares Dental Clinic. So fast naman. So fast naman. Hello, ate. Are you bored? Are you hungry? But eat a little while ago.
I want more.
Okay. Look at you. You don't need this is your glass. Because he is bored and hungry. Bored and hungry. Ano ulit?
Yeah.
Come on, Bogi.
Ay, naiilang akong camera. May camera yung lumalot iyan. Reading ko ang...
Ares, ay dental clinic. Thank you po, Doc. Ay, daina.
Atin ako ng mababal.
Toys, just food. Okay? No toys, just food. Okay?
Number 6.
367.
Beyond 100.
Ano mo rin dito? Saraditon mo na muna.
Gagawin na mo daw.
Burger?
15 po.
Kuya, kuya.
Hello.
Salamat
Hello.
sa ice cream. Nahulog ng ice cream mo. Get it na ka. Edit na. Karoon muna.
This will melt when
Yeah.
not flowing in the ground.
Sporty.
50 ba siya talaga?
Sure. Bugi, try mo na. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Try mo na, Bugi, try mo na. Bugi, try mo na. I-try mo na ang Bugi. Sige na, yan. Go, Bugi. Oh, sige pa. Bye-bye, Bubbles. Mimi.
Pop the bubble.
Go. Bubble gun.
Oh, la. I love it.
Gusto mo sa nanay?
That bubble was fast.
Mapakal kita Bugi di bagas. Maduman na kita sa ano. Oh, hello. Wave ka na, wave na. Ay, na-shy. Hello, happy birthday to. Ano, si Carol ka na?
Carla po.
Si Carla, estudyante ko ang grade 1, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. Kumusta ka na? Halaman. Naboto? Saan?
Yan sa tinang ko.
On a Sunday and a Sunday afternoon. Ano ma? Ay, on a Saturday afternoon with Ma'am Helen. My co-school head from Gainsan.
Sige ba mo?
Kasi Bugi, ito to. As usual.
Ayun.
Dating mag-ina. Kita po, solo ka lang.
Nagano ko sa ano.
Nagano ka po. Ate, anong name mo, te? Anong name mo? Susan. Dito sa ano, sa plaza. Pedicure kay ate. May discount din. Joke. This is Ma'am Cecil Bagyo from Karamuan. Pero from Talabang Kama. From Karamuan North.
Karamuan.
Big girl lang mga ano.
Yun naman Dracula na.
Tapos na.
Ay pa man grade 12 tapos grade 10.
Ihanda mo na sarili mo maging
Baklan.
Lola.
Dahil pa ko ready. Dahil pa ma'am, saka na.
Dahil pa man.
Nakatapos na ang duwa.
Saan ka naman, ma'am?
Duman sa kamatoy, ma'am. So
Ayun,
nagbalakang.
nakaduman. Ay, pag duman, may yaw na kayo mo duman.
Ay, dahil ma'am. Ngunya baga, ang skinhead binabaga si Sir Sardino. Kukulang ko sila. Sir Sardino.
Ano na ka mo? Para tiglipat. I mean, integrate. Para ano na.
Dahil man ma'am. Si Sir kaya baga, ma-transfer na ng Garchi. Kasi naghahalata mo sa Sir Dan.
Dumalat. That's why.
No?
Are you sure? Want to eat? Eat.
Ano ba hot?
What? Ano? Sarap mo? Ano ate may baby? Karambola na. Madali na. Good luck sa baby mo. Ano? Gutom na si mami. Mauli na kita. Sige na, dalaga na sa bangage.
Ano na dyan?
Makakana kita. Mauli na kita because mommy is already hungry. Bogs! Let's go. Bilis na.
Mommy's so hungry.
Yes, mommy's hungry.
I went closer to mommy.
Yeah.
Pipilitin. Ano?
Thank you so much for watching. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe.
Yes.